How to fix YouTube not showing comments. Welcome back to our channel. This is Nina and let's get started. Open up your any browser and at the search bar type in youtube.com, then you will see this page. Now go into your profile on your top right and click onto YouTube Studio on your second option. Under here, go under settings. Under these options, switch on to channel and go to advanced settings. If you have turned on the option that says yes, set this channel as made for kids, then your section of comments won't show up. Now you have to toggle on the option that says no, set this channel as not made for the kids. Now let's move on to our second option. Tap on to community tab and go to default tab. Now if you have this option set to disabled comments, then your comments won't get showed as well. Now tap on allow all comments, tap save. Just like so, you're good to go. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and we will see you soon.